Have you ever worked out or been active, only to feel like your muscles just won't bounce back like they used to? It's frustrating, right? And if you're like most people, you've probably heard that eggs are the ultimate muscle recovery food, especially once you hit 60. But what if I told you there's something better? A simple vegetable that works even faster, rebuilding muscle and speeding up recovery in ways eggs just can't. Stick around, because what you're about to discover could change everything you thought you knew about muscle recovery after 60. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. So what is this mystery vegetable? It's not some exotic plant from far-off lands. It's actually something you've probably seen on your plate hundreds of times. Yep, I'm talking about spinach. Surprised? I know it's not the first thing that comes to mind when you think of muscle recovery. But trust me, spinach is a secret weapon many people overlook. Why? Because spinach is packed with a unique mix of nutrients that support muscle growth, especially for seniors. As we age, muscle loss becomes a real concern, and it's not just about looking strong, it's about staying independent and active. That's where spinach steps in. Loaded with magnesium, vitamin C, iron, and folate, spinach helps your body with muscle regeneration and recovery. It aids in protein synthesis. That's the process your body uses to rebuild muscle fibers, and even reduces inflammation, helping with soreness after exercise. So yes, spinach could help you recover faster and feel better the next day. And no, it's not magic, but imagine adding this superfood to your diet regularly. You could start rebuilding muscle more efficiently, feel stronger, and experience less post-workout pain, all without reaching for eggs. As we age, muscle loss becomes more than just an aesthetic concern. It's about preserving your strength, so you can keep doing the things that matter most, like walking to the store, climbing stairs, or even bending down to pick something up without feeling that familiar strain. If you've noticed that recovery after a workout or everyday tasks is taking longer, or if your legs and arms just aren't as strong as they used to be, you're not alone. In fact, after the age of 30, we naturally lose about 3–8% of our muscle mass every decade. And that rate only increases as we get older. For many seniors, this decline leads to frailty, weakness, and even falls, life-altering challenges that can impact your quality of life. Muscle loss can also rob you of your mobility, energy, and independence, which affects not just your physical health, but your mental well-being too. But here's the good news: you don't have to just accept muscle loss as part of aging. With the right diet and simple changes, you can fight back, and spinach is the perfect place to start. This isn't just a salad filler. Spinach is packed with nutrients that help support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling strong. Whether you're dealing with a slowing metabolism, less active muscles, or just feeling your energy slipping, adding spinach to your meals could help you regain some of what's been lost over the years. So how exactly does spinach help rebuild muscle, especially after 60? The magic lies in its powerful combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which play key roles in muscle recovery and overall health. First up, spinach is packed with magnesium, a crucial nutrient that helps your muscles relax and recover after exercise. Magnesium also supports protein synthesis, which is the process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. This makes it essential for maintaining the muscle strength you work hard to keep. But that's not all. Spinach is also rich in iron, which is vital for improving blood circulation. More oxygen-rich blood means faster muscle recovery, less soreness, and a quicker return to your daily activities. If you often feel fatigued or drained, spinach's iron content can help fight tiredness, giving you the energy boost needed to stay active and engaged. Spinach is also loaded with vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, vital for keeping your connective tissue and muscles strong and flexible. And because spinach has anti-inflammatory properties, it can reduce muscle swelling and soreness, making it a fantastic addition to your diet for quicker recovery. So whether you're looking to boost your muscle strength, reduce fatigue, or recover faster, spinach could be the game changer you need. Imagine feeling stronger and more active every day with just one simple addition to your diet. Imagine this, you've just finished a workout, or maybe you've done some gardening or walked around the block. Normally, you'd expect to feel sore, tired, and maybe even stiff the next day. But what if you didn't have to? What if your muscles could bounce back faster, leaving you feeling strong, energized, and ready to tackle your day without that annoying soreness? Here's the exciting part. Spinach could be the key to making that happen. By adding this leafy green to your meals regularly, you're not just getting vitamins and minerals. You're giving your muscles the nourishment they need to recover quickly. No more waiting days to feel like yourself again. Instead, you could be feeling more energized, with less pain and fatigue, all thanks to the amazing benefits of spinach. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could wake up after a workout and feel like you could take on the world, instead of being stuck on the couch nursing sore muscles? Spinach can make that happen. Unlike traditional muscle recovery foods like eggs, spinach offers something even more powerful. It helps your muscles recover faster, reduces inflammation, and gives you lasting energy. So, if you're tired of relying on the same old muscle recovery foods, it might be time to try something better. Spinach could be the game changer you've been waiting for to rebuild muscle and regain strength after 60. Stick around, let me show you how to start using it in your diet today. Now you might be wondering, why choose spinach over eggs, especially when eggs have been the go-to for muscle recovery for so long? The truth is, while eggs are high in protein, they also come with higher fat and cholesterol, which may not be ideal for seniors who need to maintain heart health. Spinach, on the other hand, is a lean, nutrient-packed powerhouse that supports muscle rebuilding and promotes overall wellness. Unlike eggs, spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great option for managing weight while still delivering the muscle-repairing nutrients your body needs. It's rich in potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and reduce the risk of cramping, a common issue for many seniors after physical activity. And let's not forget the antioxidants in spinach, which help fight oxidative stress, one of the main contributors to muscle fatigue and slow recovery. So if you're looking for a healthier, more well-rounded option to support muscle recovery and overall health after 60, spinach is a powerful contender. It helps improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and rebuild muscles without the added cholesterol and fat found in eggs. Plus, it's super easy to add to your meals, whether in a smoothie, salad, or side dish. You'll be feeling more active, stronger, and ready to keep moving in no time. Now you might be thinking, is it really that simple? Yes, it really is. Spinach is the natural, plant-based solution to rebuild muscle faster and more efficiently than relying on eggs alone. Ready to make the switch? Let's talk about how to start incorporating spinach into your diet today. So you're probably wondering, what's stopping you from making spinach a regular part of your diet? Could this simple vegetable be the secret to feeling stronger, more energized, and recovering faster after every workout? Imagine the difference it could make if you started incorporating spinach into your meals today. Less muscle soreness, more mobility, and feeling more like your old self again. Whether you're already working out regularly or just looking for a way to feel better in your daily life, adding spinach could be the game changer you've been waiting for. It's easy, it's affordable, and best of all, it's packed with the nutrients your muscles need to rebuild faster than ever before. Why wait? Start today and feel stronger tomorrow. The next time you're thinking about what to eat for muscle recovery, don't just reach for eggs, swap them out for spinach. Give your body the boost it deserves and let this humble vegetable help you rebuild your muscles and improve your quality of life after 60. Don't miss out on the benefits. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button now. It really helps support the channel and make sure we can keep bringing you more helpful tips like this. And if you're ready to take control of your muscle recovery and overall health, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest advice and strategies designed specifically for seniors like you. I've got a lot more coming your way that could help you feel stronger, more active, and energized every day. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you started adding spinach to your meals yet? What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Share your experiences with us and let's keep the conversation going. Remember, it's never too late to make small changes that lead to big results. So let spinach work its magic, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll keep helping you live your best life after 60.